if you're new here, I'm Melanie, and if you're not new, I'm sorry it's been such a long time between videos. This is going to be just a very short one, and I apologize, I'm holding my phone in my hand, so I'll be as still as possible. This is a small journal that I started putting together during a fantastic workshop that I attended yesterday. The workshop was hosted by Rachel and Sarah at Roxy Creations, and we put together a small slow stitched journal, and anyone who's seen any of their work knows how amazing their stitching is and how generous they are with their prompts and creativity. So it was really amazing to be there with both the ladies and also everyone else who attended. It was a bit overwhelming and very exciting and very distracting, so I haven't done much slow stitching, but I did cut it into some very pretty fabrics and lace, and this is what I've got so far. So this is a very old journal, a very old book that Rachel sourced from Italy. And we were given a very generous pack of embroideries and laces and vintage fabric to use, and I've just put a few things on the pages at the moment. So most things, well, basically everything is just pinned down at this stage. I'm pretty happy with the layout, so of course I'm going to cut into things like these doilies, work out how I'm going to deal with this piece that's crossing 2 pages at the moment. I'm going to stitch things down and then add more stitching, more embroidery, more lace, buttons, all of that kind of thing. So I think this is going to be a pocket. So some really beautiful fabrics and perfect colors for me as well. So I was really lucky to sit in the chair behind the pink pack. I think this one's going to be another pocket as well. And on this page I'm actually going to try some thread painting, which I haven't been game enough to try just yet, but Sarah assures me that it's easy and I should give it a go. So that's what I'm going to try on this page here. So I'm really pleased with the fabrics and things that I've chosen for each of the pages. Whether they all stay in this composition, I don't know. I'll likely keep all of the laces that I've chosen. I will do my best not to hoard any of this and actually use it. I think this one's my favorite so far, so I don't know if I'll add too much more to this other than some more stitching. But of course I love this page too, so I couldn't tell you. This book only has a really narrow spine, so I think I'm going to have to widen it because it's already quite chunky, and I'm really hoping I can save the ticking because I'd rather not have to cut into it, but if I have to, that's what's going to happen. So I just wanted to put this little wonky video up. I'm sorry, I'm a bit rusty, and say a huge thank you to Rachel and Sarah and Juju and all of the other lovely ladies who were there, and to everybody who was really kind and encouraging, and Lisa especially, if you're watching, hello, thank you so much for letting me know how much you enjoyed my videos before, and also Rachel and Sarah as well. I mean, it blows my mind to think that you'd be so excited to see my work. So ladies, thank you for a fantastic day. Everyone else who was sitting on my table, Vicky and Di and Judy Dell and Fiona and Jan and everyone else I've forgotten, hello. I hope we get to see the work that you've also created, and hopefully we'll have some fun working some more on these fantastic journals. So just a very quick one from me to say hi, and this is what I'm up to at the moment. I'll see you next time.